The incy-pincy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the incy-pincy spider went up the spout again. Yes. Who's a big boy? Yuval, honey. Who's gonna smile? Yes. Such big boys. Bobby's leaving tomorrow. Yeah, she's gonna miss you so much. Yes. Are you gonna give a smile? Hey, Yuval, you hit Ronnie in the face. Yeah. Who are sweet boys? Yes. You're just getting ready to coo. Yeah. Who's there? Cuckoo. Say bye-bye. Bye. Honey, you bye. You're gonna make again. Bye-bye, boy.